how to perform a dedicated web search from ChatGPT itself. So hey guys, welcome to this tutorial. In this quick and short tutorial, I'll guide you how you can perform a quick web search instead of the general LLM style and just the web search in your ChatGPT. So for that, first head to the chatgpt.com and start a new chat by clicking onto this button or simply pressing the Ctrl Shift and O key combinations. Now once you are in the new chat, head to the prompt bar and click onto this plus option. From here, choose the web search option and then you can simply search for any particular thing that you want to look in the web. So for example, I will choose one of the selected options, and once you will simply do that, you can see that this particular prompt will give all of the details about the recent handlings even as of today. So basically web search is actually very updated and up to date information is provided while using the same. So that's how easily you can use web search in ChatGPT. So that was all for this tutorial. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.